Hello everyone, this is my third theme project video. For this project, I made a calculator, and so here is all my code, and this is the output. So as you can see, there is a calculator right here, and I'll put it in full screen now, so all I have to do is to press the square, and it will put it in full screen. Now as you can see, it has all the necessary buttons for a calculator. Like, for example, this button here, it's a clear button. So if I type something and I don't really like it, then I can just click this button here and it will clear everything on it. And of course, we have our numbers and our math operators and this decimal point too. So as you can see here, this is a full functioning calculator. So if I say something like 11 plus 2, it should give me 13. So there you go, that's 13. And maybe if I'll say 13 minus 10, 3. So there. And we'll check now if it follows the order of operations, because that is very important too. So let's say I have 3 minus 2, and then times 1. So it should times first before it subtracts. So let's say 2 times 1 is 2, and then 3 minus 2 is 1, so it should give me 1. So as you can see here, it gave me 1, so it does follow the order of operations. And it can also detect if there are errors or not. So here, if I say something like 18 and then a bunch of these divide signs, and I'll say equal. So because I didn't divide 18 by anything, so it gave me an error. So I'll clear it now. And if I say 1 and a bunch of plus signs in 1, it will ignore all of these plus signs and just morph all of these into one plus sign, and it will give me 2. So that's pretty neat. And so it also works with decimal point. So if I say something like 2.0, and I'll add 0.3, so it should give me 2.3. So there, it did give me 2.3. So let's say 2.3 minus 500. It also works with negative numbers. So it gave me negative 497.7. So that's very interesting. And if we want to close our calculator here, all we have to do is to press this X button right here. And not only will it make the calculator disappear, it will close the whole program. So as you can see here, I have my button to stop here because it's still running. And so if I press this X button, it will turn to run because the program stopped. And if I want to rerun my calculator, I can just click run. So there, I can put on full screen, and I can also type on here. So if I click this box here, I can type anything I want, even letters, and even these special marks right here. But we don't need them. And so if we type something like hello there, then it would just give us an error because that's not a math equation. So that is all for my third STEAM project, and thank you for listening.